Read or listen to all of the headlines in one place. Excerpts from the DroneLife Drone News of the Week, July 1st. Click on the links below to read or listen to each story in full. UScellular, Ericsson use drone connectivity to test the strength of 5G networks. UScellular and Ericsson revealed that they have started using drones for 5G testing at altitude. The first of their kind with UScellular's 5G network, these tests will establish a foundation for other use cases of cellular-connected drones in the future. The company's first visual line-of-sight trials were held in Beloit, Wisconsin, with a drone flown between two of UScellular's commercial 5G towers. The drone was equipped with a 5G smartphone and RF measurement equipment designed to capture performance metrics like signal strength and quality, upload and download speeds, and latency throughout the flights at various altitudes. Using both low and high band spectrum, data was captured with the goal of gathering and analyzing network connectivity and speed data in the air in order to compare it to the speeds experienced on the ground. Event 38 fuel cell-powered fixed-wing drone, extended flight time, reduced noise. On Monday, June 13th, mapping drone manufacturer Event 38 Unmanned Systems completed a successful demo flight of the E450, a drone powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, at the Kent State University Airport. The flight was the culmination of a multi-year project, initiated in 2020 with sponsorship by the Ohio Federal Research Network, OFRN, a program managed by Parallax Advanced Research. Event 38 partnered with experts at Kent State University, Case Western Reserve University, the University of Dayton, and Wright State University to investigate the potential of fuel cells as a power source for drones. Airbus develops CityAirbus NextGen, eVTOL with Munich Airport International partnership. During the ILA Berlin Air Show, Airbus signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Munich Airport International to begin marketing turnkey solutions to cities and regions interested in establishing advanced air mobility (AAM) ecosystems worldwide. Airbus is currently underway with the development of its CityAirbus NextGen, an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, alongside its related support and services offerings. Meanwhile, Munich Airport is providing ground infrastructure services and solutions. Now is the right time for BVLOS operations, Elsight on the enabling power of mobile networks. News and commentary. Drone connectivity experts Elsight flight beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, and how drones and mobile networks make BVLOS feasible and safe, right now. Elsight makes the Halo, a small form factor, AI-powered drone connectivity platform. Halo is designed to solve a critical requirement of BVLOS drone operations: reliable, predictable connectivity between the aircraft and command and control. In a new paper, Elsight presents a new concept for BVLOS flight and explains how drones and mobile networks are the way to make it happen, without years of development or major expense. AvTrain on Dawn of Drones, Pilot Training and Certification. Join Dawn with special guest Julie Garland, founder and captain at AvTrain, Europe's leading drone pilot and operator training and certification body, as they discuss pilot training and setting the standards for others to follow. AvTrain spearheads the Future Mobility Campus Ireland, FMCI, Air Consortium and is launching an operational vertiport at Shannon's FMCI campus this year. They are establishing Ireland's first drone air taxi service and routine beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, drone operations and AAM as well. Zipline in North Carolina, automated, on-demand drone delivery of medicines and supplies. This week, leading U.S. healthcare organizations Novant Health, Magellan Rx Management, and Cardinal Health launched long-range drone delivery systems in North Carolina, powered by instant logistics leader Zipline. Each of the organizations is collaborating with Zipline to deliver a variety of products out of a distribution center based in Kannapolis, North Carolina. "We imagine a future in which goods are transported nearly instantly," said Zipline founder and CEO Keller Renato. Together with Novant Health, Magellan Rx Management, and Cardinal Health, we are making it a reality. In the process, we are setting the bar for care and convenience with instant logistics. Enabling drones in oil and gas, what will it take to make BVLOS a reality? Industry experts speak. More than 6 years ago, when John Damisch, the current CEO of Iris Automation, was the chief growth officer for Boeing subsidiary Insitu, his team inspected Shell Oil's liquefied natural gas natural well heads with drones, beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS. They used the ScanEagle and a patchwork of command and control radios, terrestrial communications, VHF transceivers, and dedicated radars coupled with constant ATC contact. This project increased inspection rates by a power of almost 20, from 6 to 10 wellheads to over 200 per week. Operating a drone across the ocean, with only a standard cell phone connection, Skypersonic demonstrates it can be done. Industrial drone company and Red Cat Holdings subsidiary Skypersonic conducted a visual inspection of the interior of a fully operational utility plant in Turin, Italy, via a drone controlled from 4,800 miles away in Orlando, Florida. The operation was conducted using only the internet connection from a standard cell phone. Drew Camden, the Orlando-based pilot and president of Red Cat subsidiary Rotor Riot, possessed no prior knowledge of the Iron District Heating Network plant in Turin. Read more commercial drone news on DroneLife.com.